Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, we'll be covering the safety configurations, which is under Settings, Robot, Safety. So we'll start off with the basic section. So the collision class determines how sensitive the robot is to a collision. So the default is level 6. Level 1 means that, the robot requires a lot of force for it to detect a collision. However, level 10 means a very light tap will result in the robot detecting collision and stopping. So once the robot stops, what happens? And that is what collision mode means. So there are two options: free and stuck. Free mode means that once a collision happens, the robot will enter drag teach mode, so you can drag the robot, to a safe location, and then starting the project or continuing the project. And however, stuck means that once a collision happens, the robot will just be stuck and you won't be able to move it. So move limit init value means this is the speed that your robot operates at, during project. So you can alter this. After you alter this, you have to, restart your AUBOPE software, and then later on when you go into your project, you'll see that this move limit will have changed to whatever you set this move limit init value to in your safety configurations. And the other options here, you can take a look at what they mean in the manual. However, the move init value, collision mode, and collision class are the three most used parts of the safety configurations under the basic section. In the reduce mode, so the reduce mode is just a mode our robot can go into. It's just a slower mode than the normal operational mode. How to trigger this is through the safety IOs, and you can take a look at exactly what pins you need to trigger for this to happen through the manual. So as you can see here, you can adjust the speeds of joint 1 through 6, as well as the tool center point, TCP speed limit. The TCP is in millimeters per second, while all the joints are in degrees per second. So whatever speed you put here, once the robot enters reduce mode, it will follow these speeds as the maximum speed. And the joint limit here, you can enable joint limit. You can click joint limit enabled, and you'll be able to adjust the joint limits of all the joints. And that is all for the safety configurations.